What is the other 7% in ground beef? I have no idea. Bones, I don't know, guts, fat, I don't know. The people that work here, everybody here, it's like a family. It's one big happy family here. My dad is the general manager of Hoffman Weber Construction, Mike Sample, and then my cousin Amanda is the project manager of Hoffman Weber Construction. I love it. I love working with people that I can talk to and I know personally on a good level. It's like I can talk to people I can talk to my family how I want to talk to my family. It's open up concept. Like my favorite moment, I don't know, the state fairs. I liked doing the state fairs. They were really fun working there and seeing everybody and building like the dog houses and playhouses. That was fun and exciting. I'm a big fan of country music. I love country music. Like I listen to a lot of Chris Stapleton, Luke Bryan, Thomas Rhett. I listen to a lot of country music. Hoffman Weber is an exterior company that is really hands-on with the job. They take care of their customers very well, and then we treat our customers how they should be treated, and it's a good company to work at, it's a good company to buy from, it's a good company just to be at.